Hi friend, in this video I will describe about the Power Lantern Jackpot Nifty trading strategy. We have a profitable trade today. I am also describe today the performance review recent trade in this month or last month of June and this year and today's, which overall give us a INR 1,90,218 profit per lot basis. I am talking about this Excel sheet. In this Excel sheet, if we all we have to do is that we have to take the first 15-minute candle high low, second 15-minute candle high low, and last 15-minute candle high low. If we enter the data of today and if there is a yes comes here, then next day what we have to do is that as it is written here, we have to trade based on the breakout of next day first 15-minute candle. So if we got the yes here, then next day we have to buy above the high of the first candle and sell below the low of the first candle, and we have to hold the trade till the 3 p.m. with a stop loss of opposite side. That means if we have a long trade, then low of the first 15-minute candle will be your stop loss. If we have a short trade, then we will go short below the low of the first 15-minute candle, and we will put the stop loss at the high of the first 15-minute candle. Now, I will actually describe everything in this ebook. You can find the ebook details in the description. In this ebook, I talk about the strategy detail, the background of the strategy, and I also give the track sheet of the strategy and describe everything with couple of example of trade. I definitely recommend you to go through this ebook to find more details about this trading strategy. Now I will show you the track sheet of this strategy so far. See, if we consider the June month, then in June month we have total number of trade that was sorry, that was 9 trade in the month of June. In the nine trade, we have a total of 32,482 rupees of profit if we trade based on the one lot basis. As you can see that today there was the first trade of the July month and we have a 51 point profit. There were small losses in the June month also. There was one day, 5th of June, there was a loss of 63 point. 23rd June, there was a loss of 38 point. And 30th June, there was a loss of 29 point. If we check the whole data for this year, for this year, starting from 1st January, then so far we have 49 trade in this year. So we are at July. So if we consider 6, then 7 to 8 trade in an average per month. And among this 49 trade, 31 was profitable, 18 was losing, success ratio 63%, total losing point was 852, total gain point was 3388.75, average point loss was 47, roughly around 50 point risks per trade, and average point gain is in an average 109 point. It gives us a risk reward ratio of 2.63. So with 63% accuracy rate and with a risk reward ratio of 2.63, definitely this strategy has a edge. And as you can see that is being reflected in the total point gain of 2536. So based on one lot, it comes around 1,90,000. Now I will show you exactly what to do based on the today's trade. So for today, what we have to do, as I mentioned, that we this Excel help you to generate the trading plan one day before. So to trade today, we have to enter the data of yesterday. So after market close, we have to enter the data to find where there is an opportunity next day or not. So yesterday means in this case, in this week, it was the Friday. Today is the Monday. So Friday after market close, we have to enter the data over here. What we will do, this we will take a 15-minute chart. We will take a 15-minute chart, July future, current series future, and then we have to enter the first 15-minute candle high low. So first 15-minute candle high was 10,599.30. I entered this data. See, now I didn't enter all those data. I changed the date here, 03 July. It is showing no try next day. Is tomorrow is a power lantern jackpot opportunity? It says no try next day. Let's see what's happened if we enter the data. So the high of the candle was 10,599.30 and the low of the first candle yesterday, means last Friday, was 10,565.10. The high of the next candle, 9:30 to 9:45 candle, was 10,588.80 and the low was 10,550.15. The high of the last candle, was 10,584.95 and the low was 10,565.45. As you can see, as I entered the data of the first, second and last 15-minute candle of the yesterday, it already turns into the yes. What it means, if it is says yes, then as I mentioned that if sales and C2 F10 says yes, then trade on breakout of next day first 15-minute candle. Okay, so what we have to do is that we have to trade based on the first 15-minute candle. So first 15-minute candle high was 10,700.65. So we will place a order above 10,701 and we will place a sell order below the low of the first 15-minute candle, that is 10,661.50. So probably we will put a buy order above 10,701 and we have to put a sell order 10,661. So today we have just done these things and then we found that our trade was executed in this candle. It's break the 10,701 level and we executed our trade on the long side. Our stop loss was placed below this candle, that is around 10,661. And based on the plan, we will hold the trade till 3 p.m. So at 3 p.m. the close was 10,752. So we have entered the trade at 10,701 level and we exited the trade 10,000 at 10,752 level. That was a 51 point gain. So every day we have to do the same thing all those days. So exactly you have to enter the data of today to find the trade tomorrow, and your plan should be ready what you will do tomorrow. Based on these, this system has generated so far very good result, and despite of the fact that there was consecutive loss, profit, and these things are part of the trading. So you cannot avoid this consecutive loss or frustrated period of time when you will see nothing is happening. But if we consistently trade a particular system that has an edge which is proven from the past data, then we definitely has nothing to worry about making money trading in stock or future, whatever may be in this from this market. Thank you so much for your time. I will update you next. Until then, have a nice day. Goodbye.